I gave my class just 1 week to build a rocket. No prior experience, no step-by-step instructions, just one challenge: make it fly. The rules were simple. Work in teams, use basic materials, build a functional rocket, and yes, it had to actually launch. At first, they were confused. A rocket? In 1 week? But slowly, excitement replaced fear. Day one was all about ideas, sketches, designs, arguments, and creativity everywhere. Each team divided roles: designers, builders, testers. This is where teamwork truly began. Day 3 to 5, the real work began: trial and error, failures, fixes, repeat. Some rockets didn't stand straight, some didn't even hold together, but every failure taught them something. By day 6, it was time to test: excitement, nervousness, confidence. Launch day finally arrived. 3, 2, 1. And what happened next surprised everyone. Some rockets flew high, some barely lifted, but every student walked away with confidence. This wasn't just about rockets. It was about creativity, teamwork, problem-solving, and believing they could do the impossible. Want more real classroom challenges like this? Comment Rocket and follow for more.